In this galaxy, there's a mathematical probability of 3 million Earth-type planets. And in all the universe, there's only one Nick and only one Leslie.
Yeah, it's gorgeous outside, got the windows down, the sunlight comes out, painting the town, and no rain, no clouds, I'm just cruising around.
Leslie was born to be an older sister.
Oh yeah, it's a good day, oh yeah, I do it my way.
And I've spent the past 27 years trying to be just like her.
Everything coming up roses, I keep rolling, I'm living in the moment.
We've often said if we could handpick anyone, it would be Nick.
Celebration, every day a vacation, only good vibration.
And I've had the privilege of being best friends with Nick since right around the 6th grade.
Feels good, feels good. Feels good, feels good. It feels good to be alive.
Leslie, I can't imagine my life, my future, without you right there next to me.
You are my greatest teammate, my calm in the chaos, and my favorite person in every room.
I can see the mountains move. In my heart, I knew.
You both are truly each other's biggest fans, and with that, you two are constantly reaching new heights.
There were days I felt like I was not enough.
Nick brings out the very best in Leslie. He has never stamped out her beautiful flame.
Yeah. I'm back. It's King Flex. Today we gon' try something new. Shout out to me, shout out to you. But first things first, we gon' set the mood. Cause every day's a vibe, do you feel it? Ooh, so fresh, don't you see the kicks? I used to dream about days like
Leslie, beautiful, strong, and amazing Leslie. We are so happy for you.
I feel it coming my way. And I know it's gonna stay. Cause I'm just here to have a.
She is also fantastic at selecting a life partner. Nick is the easiest person to be around. He's a happy-go-lucky guy who loves to have fun.
Live a good life. Tell me if you with it. Alright. Tell me if you with it. Alright.
You look so good. This is awesome.
I'm living a big dream based on a big screen. Just bought a new suit. Ooh, that boy clean. Bada boom, bada bing. You talking to me? Yeah, you know that I'm king. Yeah, now I can see my name in lights, made my way through darkness. Now I'm shining bright. I'm sitting on this gold like Sparrow. Every day getting that dinero. Let's go.
Nick, I love you so much, and I certainly don't know where life will take us, but I definitely know I'll always want to go there with you.
Cause I'm just here to have a good time. I'm just here to live a good life. Tell me if you
You're my best friend, my partner, my person, and my whole heart. I promise to love you forever.
You and me together on the open road. Drop top the ceiling and away we go. No need to wait for summertime. Anywhere with you is like paradise.
Here's to all of your memories of yesterday, the beautiful moment of today, and all to come for you tomorrow. Cheers.
So here's to the good times. Cheers to the good life. All we need is a little bit of sunshine and some company to feel alright. Here's to the good times. Cheers to the good life. All we need is a little bit of sunshine and some company to feel alright. Here's to the good times.
Leslie and Nick, slay the dragons together. Care for each other. Be present with all your heart and every fiber of your being. May you find your land of open dreams.